delighted to welcome you to the maiden edition of the Nigeria Liquefied Petroleum Gas Association Safety Training Masterclass. Thank you for registering and participating in this webinar. A few ground rules will be necessary. This masterclass session is free, and a recording of the webinar will be made available to all those that registered and participated at this webinar. Please make good use of the question and answer section of your app, and please state the subject for which your questions are directed. Our distinguished faculty will try to provide answers to your questions at this session, or perhaps send them via email to your email addresses accordingly. We implore you to take our poll and answer them honestly as you can towards the end of this webinar. The Nlpga Safety Masterclass is the virtual training and awareness platform for LPG safety that is powered and produced by the Safety and Technical Committee of the Nigeria Liquefied Petroleum Gas Association. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, commonly known as cooking gas, is a group of flammable hydrocarbon gases that are liquefied through pressurization and mostly used as fuel. It is a reliable and affordable source of clean fuel with its attendant advantages to health, environment, as well as the economy. Despite the fact that we have an enormous gas reserve in Nigeria, and in fact, it is estimated to be over 200 trillion cubic feet, and the fact that we also happens to be the highest net exporter of gas, it is a cause for worry and concern that we have the lowest per capita consumption, although our population index may contribute to that fact. But it goes to show the gap, the enormous potential if gas utilization happens to be well improved. A major concern, a major contributing factor indeed to this low adoption and acceptance level is safety. The incident cases of fire and accidents on our roads and in various situations have continued to send shocking signals down the spines of many when they happen, and therefore calls for serious safety training and help in understanding how to safely use and handle LPG across the entire value chain. The Nlpga has been in the forefront and championing the advocacy and awareness of the use of LPG in this regard, and that is why we are also having this webinar, where we will be educating and empowering the public, business owners, government agencies, enthusiasts, gas plant owners, operators, all of you as you have registered and want to learn about LPG and how it can continue to carry on your business in such a way that it will be safe and properties will also be protected. The Nlpga Safety Masterclass series seek to provide this particular competence training both virtually and on-site, and we want to implore that you reach out to us to get more of this training. So right about now, we want to start our masterclass. It will take place 3 classes and be handled by 3 different faculty facilitators. I want to welcome you, sit back, listen, and try to enjoy the classes. But first, I will want to introduce our faculty. First, we have Mr. Razak Oyinola. Razak Oyinola has 12 years experience as a health, safety, and environment specialist, process engineer, and quality management system auditor. He has worked in oil and gas, engineering, procurement, and construction, as well as the aviation industry in Africa and the Middle East. Expertise include safety training, safety and quality management system setup and auditing, technical reporting, method statement development, and project management. Please welcome Mr. Razak Oyenola.
Thank you very much for having me here. I'm pleased to be one of the panelists for today.
We also have in our midst Mrs. Sebilat Quadri. Sebilat Quadri is an LPG trading and distribution expert working with Gas Terminaling Global Operations Limited and safety specialist with over 7 years experience in the oil and gas industry. He holds a first degree in applied chemistry from the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, and she is a NEBOSH certified health and safety professional. Sebilat is currently the executive secretary of Women in LPG Nigeria chapter and was part of the distinguished Women LPG team that launched the LPG advocacy program for secondary schools in Nigeria. Mrs. Sebilat Quadri, you are warmly welcome to this webinar.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm pleased to be here. Thank you.
We also have Mr. Adelekun Ademilui. Adelekun Ademilui is an IT professional that worked extensively in IT practice before joining Point Agencies Limited as a cargo surveyor. He has worked in several positions in Point Agencies Limited and has gained a lot of work experience and attended several training programs on LPG deployment and development. He has participated in the design and building of several LPG plants in Nigeria. Notably, he was very actively involved in the development of EcoGas scheme for Lagos State government that led to popularizing add-on and mini LPG plants in Nigeria. He is currently the business development manager of Point Agencies Limited. Mr. Adelekun Ademilui, you are really welcome to this webinar.
Thank you very much, Mr. Olakole. Thank you for having me here.
I am yours truly, Kunle Oyebanjo. I'm the Executive Secretary of NLPGA and will be your moderator at this webinar.